Greetings. Hi, this is John Peters. The purpose of this video today is to give you a little bit of update on the website of JBS Network International Ministries. In case you happen to see this video, but you do not see the website of JBS Network International Ministries, that's because there's being a transition, okay? For some time now, it has been on a platform of Microsoft. However, Microsoft is discontinuing the platform that it was on. So therefore, in fact, it was on a 365. And so anyway, we had some options, what we want to do. I had started another one on Site Builder. Again, it's still the same email, correction. It's still the same URL. However, it has not been connected to the domain name. Okay, right now it's on what they call a free website. Okay, I have put a link on the Facebook. Okay, and you can see it on there. Okay, what the link is. It's still JBS Network. Okay, dot, and then they had little things in there. I think it was slant bar, whatever. So anyway, I just want to give you a heads up on that. Now let's talk about the new website. There was a number of things. In fact, I'm going to see if I can pull it up on here. It'll be easier for me to tell you. In fact, I didn't realize. Let's see. Well, okay, I can do it right now. I should have done it earlier, okay, but it's not critical. They're going to have some nice features on it. You're going to see where members of JBS Network International Ministries partner up with another ministry to help, probably, let's say in this case, do some ministry out of MacArthur Parks. You find it up under the Helps tabs. Also, you will find some photos there occasionally. It'll show how we're interacting, helping other people. Either we're helping people to minister to other people, or we're helping other people in ministry. Okay? And then we'll go ahead and label what it is. We'll have a page that says evangelism. You should find this video, as well as other evangelism tip videos, on that same page, the web page. In the future, I hope to have messages that I've done on there. I'll have to redo those. And I want you to keep in mind, although I have these evangelism tips already done, I desire to go ahead and redo them after I'm able to find a suitable place where I can use different cameras. Now this was never intended to be a real formal, coat and tie type thing. It was designed to be more of a kitchen table type thing. Like we're sitting at a table, we're working on a project, or we're in a library, we're working on a project. Not supposed to be formal, okay? Now, some of you, this is your first time seeing a video here. What this here is supposed to be is to give you non-clergy people that are in church, born-again believers, some ideas of how you can go ahead and help win souls for Jesus. There's a lot of people that's going to hell, just like we were going to hell, till God had somebody to reach out. The Holy Spirit pricked our hearts and we accepted. Jesus said that, I'm going to paraphrase it, there's a lot of work out there to do, but there are few laborers. So now if you look in your congregation to the left or to the right, you got a bunch of laborers there. I should say potential laborers. But we need people to get up, get out, and get going, and get doing it. Okay, go. So it could be fun. Now, I say in other videos, evangelism, yes, it could be fun. Use godly wisdom as you're doing it. Okay, I strongly recommend you look at the videos, personal evangelism tips 1 all the way on to wherever they end. But I'm going to keep trying to add them more and more, okay? So lately I've been working on a number of projects, and some I rather do myself personally. And then allow those individuals who I know to go ahead and assist me by critiquing or come up with some ideas, or really to tell me, like, hey, it was good. The next one, maybe you want to add this or that, okay? So anyway, like, I'm going to say to you, go, therefore, and teach all nations. That means nations don't mean necessarily countries. It means people. No matter if they're American, Native American, black, white, African, don't really matter. Go and share the good news of Jesus Christ, because time is running out. God bless you. Bye-bye.